All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. This is another quick video. I'm just gonna give you guys a bit of information. So today, I'm gonna talk about two things: Bobby Reid and also Jamaica all-time top goal scorer. Jamaica's all-time top goal scorer. So we're gonna just touch a little bit on them, and we're gonna speak about Bobby Reid and what Bobby Reid coming back means for the team, and also what it means for the young starlet himself, Tyreek Magee. Now, people, I would really appreciate if you guys smash that like button because it also helps the channel, and hit the subscribe button because my YouTube analytics are telling me that 70% of my viewership comes from people who haven't subscribed, and definitely I would really like to convert that 70% into the subscription, if that is possible. I wonder if that is possible. I'm gonna do how could I call now? A survey to see if anyone have ever done that before. Maybe people help me out. Let's see if I could put that in the Guinness record book or into the YouTube Guinness record book, converting my 70% who are not subscribers into subscribers. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button as yet, help me hit that record and smash that subscribe button. People, first of all, Bob Reid is back with the team. He was pictured with the team on the plane. There you guys can see we have Kevin Jeff, which is actually the medical doctor for the team, one of the members of the medical staff. And then definitely, as you can see, arrows pointing on Bobby Reid, ready and waiting. They said next stop is the Dallas. Sitting beside of them, you see Mariappa. Now, what does this mean in particular for Bob Reid coming back into the team? No, because we saw that on his Instagram, Bob Reid taking pictures, videos of him doing physical activity, keeping himself extremely fit so that he can actually get it running the moment he's back into the team. He was asymptomatic when he was diagnosed with the virus, but it's also telling us that he will recover quite quickly. So he repeatedly gave two negative test results, which means that he's now eligible based off the CONCACAF rules he's now eligible to feature for us. And let's see if they are going to make that happen. Let's see if Tapa Whitmore is going to make that happen. Now, what does this mean for Tyreek Magee? Now, we've seen Tyreek Magee come into the team, provide an extra element, something that we haven't seen out of the team, even when Bob Reid play. But the thing about it is that Bob Reid is a player at a higher level than Tyreek Magee. Would we still see Tyreek Magee get the opportunity to feature against the USMNT team? Or Bobby Reid will just come right back into the team and slot into the team? Guys, tell me what you think about it. Do you believe that Bobby Reid should just come right back into the team and slot right back into that attacking midfield position? Or you believe that we should actually let Bobby Reid sit out this game? For me personally, on a personal aspect of things, how I view it, Bobby Reid is such a talented player, a level above most of the players that we have. It's difficult for me to say leave Bobby Reid out. It's quite difficult. Once he's fit, I'll put him right back into the team, because it's not like he didn't perform. He did perform. Gave us a spectacular goal as well against the Suriname team. But as I said, we will definitely see how this one goes. In all essence, let us see what this one is going to do for us. Let us see how the team, the medical team, actually operate with this one going forward. But as I said, for me, I would definitely put Bobby Reid back into the team. So well done to the medical staff for their hard work that you're putting in. Well done, Kevin. You're doing a great work, because I've seen clips, I've seen pictures, I've seen you in and around the team getting the masseuse and all those type of things. Well done on your work, because we have to give commendation on to all who are around the team as well. And Mariappa is sitting beside Bobby Reid, looking cool and calm as ever. Now let's move into the next thing. So Bobby Reid is back into the team, people, and that is big news. Now, the next thing I want to speak about is the all-time leading goal scorers for Jamaica. All-time leading goal scorers. Up top, we have Luton Shelton. Luton Shelton on 35 goals. In second position, this is actually the top 10. In second position, we have Paul Tigat Davis. Recently got sacked from his job. You know those guys don't play. We have Anandi Lowe, father of Damian Lowe. We have Theodore Tapper Whitmore, currently the coach. We have Paul Long. We have Andy Williams. I'm not sure why did they put that equal sign there. Maybe I'm not sure. Then we have Walter Boyd, famously well known. We have Darren Mattox at 8. Mattox is actually still playing, just age 30, which means that he did a very, very good job in getting those 17 goals. And it's one of, I think it's 18, but one of those friendlies was not registered. So it's not it's not registered under the regulations. So I believe it's actually 18. Now we have Hector Wright, then now, and at the bottom we have the assistant coach Paul Hall. So those are the all-time leading goal scorers for Jamaica, courtesy of Flow Sports, as you guys can see. But people, this is just a short thing. The most important thing that I wanted to speak to you guys about is the fact that Bob Reid is back into the team and what that means for us going forward. We need the best team, people. We definitely need the best team going forward. This is the only way we can say we can achieve our objectives. Can you imagine? I'm 100% sure that the USMNT team is afraid of Bob Reid. Who is not afraid of Bob Reid? I am 100% sure. So this is maybe something that they weren't expecting too soon or this soon. And guess what? We have him for the next game, and this is a massive plus for us. Hopefully we can get this arm out of the way, and I'm hoping that we can defeat this USMNT team, because we have such bad luck against these teams. Look how long we haven't been Costa Rica. Look how long. I know we have one of the best team assembled, one of the best Reggae Boyz team assembled, one of the best Reggae Boyz team assembled, and we still couldn't beat Costa Rica. We dominated the game, and we still couldn't beat Costa Rica. I don't believe it's a quality thing. I think it's a mentality thing. It just feels as if it's a mentality thing, that mental block of beating big teams. And I believe that this Sunday is a perfect opportunity for us to break that mental block and cross over that line, because we need to break the mental block. We need to break it at some particular time. It must happen, people. It really must happen. So, people, thank you very much for tuning in. I've been here rambling long enough. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day, and ensure that you guys also have a good night. Massive respect if you're watching this in the morning. Good morning to you. Massive respect, Military Guna TV people. This has been definitely a good one. And guess what? I am out.